Hello, space explorers! Are you ready for an amazing journey through the alphabet rocket? We'll fly through space and learn letters A to Z with rhyming words. 3, 2, 1, lift off! A is for astronaut, astronaut floats, light as air, waving hello with spacesuit flare. A is for astronaut, soaring so high, reaching for planets up in the sky. B is for black hole, a black hole swirl so big and round, be careful it pulls things all around. B is for black hole, dark as night, swirling and spinning out of sight. C is for comet, a comet flies fast and bright like a shooting star in the night. C is for comet, zooming away, lighting the sky on its cosmic display. D is for drone, fast and bright, flying around like a tiny light. D is for drone, flying with grace, exploring the wonders of outer space. E is for earth, look below, its earth so bright, shining like a ball of light. E is for earth, blue and grand, our home, our world, our special land. Our fireball glows, the colors so bright, shooting through space like a flash of light. F is for fireball, burning so hot, a fiery streak, ready or not. G is for galaxy, a galaxy spins with stars so wide like a cosmic swirling ride. E is for galaxy, shining so bright, millions of stars twinkling at night. H is for helmet, space helmet keeps us safe and sound, floating high above the ground. H is for helmet, snug and tight, helping astronauts fly just right. I is for ice planet, an ice planet freezing and cold, covered in ice, shiny and gold. G is for ice planet, chilly and bright, a frozen world that sparkles white. Jetpack zooms with power so strong, helping astronauts float along. J is for jetpack, zooming through space, flying so fast in this endless race. K is for Kuiper blast, Neptune's home, a convert belt, where tiny icy rocks are felt. K is for Kuiper, so far away, floating through space every day. L is for launch pad, from the launch pad we took flight, blasting off into the night. L is for launch pad, ready to go, counting down 3, 2, 1, whoa! M is for moon, the moon is shining, round and bright, glowing softly in the night. N is for moon, high in the sky, smiling at Earth from way up high. And nebula glows for colors so grand, a giant cloud of dust and sand. N is for nebula, swirling and bright, a space cloud glowing with magical light. O is for orbit, a satellite orbits round and round, floating high without a sound. O is for orbit, spinning away, circling planets night and day. Big or small, red or blue, each planet has a story true. P is for planet, round and tall, some are big and some are small. Q is for quasar, quasar shines so big and bright, a cosmic light in the starry night. Q is for quasar, beaming with light, a powerful glow in the universe's sight. R is for rocket, our rocket soars through space so high, racing comets as we fly. R is for rocket, zooming so fast, blasting through space, what a blast! Look at the stars, they shimmer and shine, twinkling like diamonds, oh so fine. S is for star, glowing with light, sparkling softly in the deep space night. T is for telescope, a telescope sees both near and far, looking for planets, comets and stars. T is for telescope, searching the skies, spotting new wonders way up high. Is for UFO, a UFO zooms with light so bright, gliding softly through the night. U is for UFO, what could it be? Maybe aliens visiting me. V is for Venus, it's hot with clouds so thick, a planet of fire so bright and quick. A wormhole twists and bends through space, a shortcut to a far-off place. W is for wormhole, spinning so fast, a mystery where time and space are vast. X is for X-ray telescope, an X-ray telescope sees what's unseen, finding secrets in space so keen. X is for X-ray, looking so far, finding hidden planets and a brand new star. Y is for yellow dwarf, a yellow dwarf like our sun, shining bright for everyone. Y is for yellow dwarf, warm and bright, giving planets heat and light. And Z is for zero gravity, in zero gravity we float around, no up, no down, just off the ground. C is zero gravity, floating so high, just like an astronaut up in the sky. Travel through space and learn A to Z, now back to Earth, we're landing safely. Letters and rhymes, we've had such fun, let's blast off again for another one. Thanks for joining Alphabet Rocket, see you next time for more space adventures. Bye bye, astronauts.